Alright, so you get to this home page and you click on My Classes, and so I've already got material there, but you would add a new class, create a new class. You would call it, let's have a look, 7CO Maths, videos for students learning math in 7CO. And then create the class. Now you have to invite your students to join that, and you have to copy that link and then they can post it onto your, they'll post it onto their classroom. Let's have a look here. So we've got 7 content library, 7CO, and maybe down at your administration page, right at the bottom, you would post it, and link for Mr. C's Edpuzzle account. Now that is different to mine, so you've got to make sure that they keep that separate and know that it's different to yours. Mine is different to yours. Now when you go back to Edpuzzle, that's quite important, is to keep that little, I'll just do that so if they don't forget it, they can just go back and remind themselves of what the code is, class code. Now actual copied. Now can't get out of here. There we go. Alright, now once you're into that situation, you've got your 7CO class there. Now your content is, you've got no content as such, but you might want to make something. So let's take something that you want to look at, and virus. Search the virus. You can put your own. So let's have a look at a shorter video about viruses. So click on that, and then the important thing is that you edit it. Now once you edit it, what happens is that the video starts. And you can do voiceover, so you can actually alter it, or you can have questions yourself. Okay, so once you get an idea, then you can stop whenever you want to. You can go back a bit, and then you put multi questions up, and so they're your questions. and okay, first one's green, red, and another choice in blue. Okay. And then you save that. So there's your questions.
On the surface lung cell. Like a smile and a handshake, the virus deceives this lung cell and is welcomed in, where it will command the cell to make more virus particles.
Okay. And then open-end question. And save that. Now you can also edit the video. So you cut it, and you can take it up to the end there. So that's where it ends now, rather than where it did before. So once that's done, you finish that, and then you can see down the side here, you can assign it. Now for guys like you, Shane, you want to do it for 2 classes, so you could duplicate that, or use Sarah for 2 classes. And also, well, everybody has got more than 1 class, 2 English and 2 maths, so you can duplicate it. Let's start with assigning it. And you want to assign it to that class there we sold, and okay, and then you assign that. But there's the date that you want to watch it, and there's the due date, and or due date is, save that, assign it. Now later on you can actually see how we get the results, but it's click on my gradebook. And there's students in here, so it's quite difficult, but if you look at mine, that's what a gradebook looks like, and you can see how long they took, and you can see the results as well. For example, 8 minutes gain 100%, 41 seconds gain 40%, 2 minutes 60%. So there is a good way of keeping track of their efforts. And then you can export that if you wanted to, but you don't have to. That's just into a spreadsheet. So that's something down the track that we can look at.